Welcome to Tech Vibes. Before you spend money on a technician, listen carefully for the next few minutes. In my workshop, I fix hundreds of TVs every month, and many never needed repair. In the next 10 seconds, I will show you how to save repair cost using safe and proven checks. If your TV does not turn on, first check the power source. Remove the power cable from the wall socket. Wait at least 60 seconds. Connect the cable directly to the wall socket, not an extension board. A weak extension board is a common hidden problem. If the standby light is on but screen is black, check backlight. Turn off room light. Power on TV. Shine your mobile flashlight close to the screen. If you see a faint image, the backlight is faulty, not the panel. This repair costs much less than panel replacement. If stuck on logo or restarting, do a soft reset. Unplug power, press, and hold the TV physical power button for 15 seconds, then release. Wait 1 minute, then plug back in. If apps are slow or freezing, check storage. Go to Settings, Open Apps, and Clear Cache for heavy apps. Check your internet. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile hotspot. Use 2.4 GHz for stability. Weak internet causes crashes, not motherboard failure. No sound? Go to Sound Settings, select TV speaker, not external. Disconnect HDMI devices. HDMI CEC conflicts can mute sound automatically. Remote not working? Change batteries and clean terminals. Test it using your phone camera. If the infrared light blinks, the remote is working. Update software only if stable. Never update during power fluctuation. Interrupted updates can damage firmware. Follow these steps before calling a technician. Most are workshop proven. If the problem exists, then call a pro. This is Tech Vibes, saving your money.